Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be filming how I achieve this soft glam look. I was in a rush today, so I didn't have too much time to do it, but I did show you a new contour technique in this video. It's just one of the techniques that you can try. I have created cheekbones for myself, which is the whole premise of this contour technique. Just really wanted to show you guys another way to do your makeup if you're into the minimal, soft glam, natural look. This will be perfect for you. If you're interested, keep on watching. So with every makeup look, you want to start off with skin prep. I did mine off camera, but I am using some lip oil, which is basically the last step of my skincare routine. Of course, I'm going in with some color corrector underneath my eyes, and by the time I started editing this video, I realized that my face was bloated, which is the thing about filming beauty content. It's like you have to show up for your audience that day, even if your face is bloated and you're not feeling well or whatever the case may be. I did all my skincare the night before, and I even used a face roller and a gua sha, and I still woke up with my face bloated for other reasons. Of course, I am trying a new supplement by and it's for bloating. Yeah, so that is just what was going on with me this morning. So this is the contour technique that I used. I went in with concealer underneath my eyes as normal, but the added step is that I went in an upward motion along the sides of my nose and along the sides of my mouth. So pretty much what this technique is supposed to do is provide a lift to your face. It brings light to all the areas that are highlighted. I went in with some Milk contour with this very unique contour brush. And what I like about this brush is that you can use it to get into the smaller areas of your face. You can also use it the wider way to create the contour along your forehead. I learned this trick a long time ago. If you stop your contour at the outer corner of your eye, you get the perfect measurement and it doesn't elongate your face. Because sometimes if you apply contour the wrong way, it can make your face look longer and take away from what you're trying to do. I found this really cool brush from Real Techniques. It's shaped like a square, and I used it to contour around my nose, going in with another Real Techniques brush underneath my eye. And now I'm setting everything in with some highlighter first. This one's by NYX. It's way too light for me. And then I went on top and baked with this Bare Minerals loose powder, which adds a beautiful yellow rich color to my face. I also used that on the highlighter underneath near my mouth. Went in with some Lorac powder. This is in the shade Cinnamon, and I just went in all the areas where I did not highlight, and this actually helps to blend everything in seamlessly. I set my face and I let it dry. Next, I'm going in with my eyes. I will not even lie, you guys. I did not put any effort into my eyes today. You guys know that I love a good eyeshadow look, but I was completely lost at this point. I took a few different shades and just rubbed it on my eyes, and that was it. Went in with some blush because I realized I forgot. Guys, my camera went into 4K, I believe, which is why it's making me look filtered right now, which I don't know how I feel about that because I want you guys to see the real me in these videos, but I'll take it. Added some mascara, blended out my blush. I also added some yellow eyeshadow to the inner corners of my eye and eyeliner. And so basically this look is all about complexion. You want to make sure that your base and your foundation is the focal point. Your eyes are not really that important. I am applying falsies, so these are the wispy ones. And one thing that you should know about these lashes from Shein is that sometimes you have to fight with them because they don't bend to your eye shape. So I just bended them a little bit and made sure that both corners were stuck down. Went in with just a little bit of highlighter on my cheeks and on the tip of my nose. Pretty much done. Added some lip liner. I didn't even wipe off the lip oil that I had put on in the beginning, and it made my lip liner glide on really smoothly, which I really liked. Applied some pink gloss. I wanted to stay as natural as possible. I set my face one last time, and you guys, this is the finished look. What do you guys think?